What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of upgrade to Big Blue here. I got an S&B Air Intake. This one still has the factory one, which I'm probably due for a new filter anyways, but they just look gross. And we're gonna be doing some turbo upgrades. I'm not gonna say what I'm doing yet. You'll have to wait and see it for the video, but the new turbo is definitely going to need a better air intake system. So anyways, guys, let's get at her. I can't stand working on a dirty truck, and yeah, look at this thing. So we're gonna wash it first. Gotta wash this floor mat too, because as you can see here, my dog threw up on it. Bronx, are you pukey boy? Did you puke on the mat? It's okay, high five. Yeah, good boy. All right, truck's clean. Well, at least as clean as it's gonna get without being hand washed. So yeah, let's start this intake install. Lift kit problems. Here's the new filter. It's for a 2003 to 2007 Ram 2500, 3500, 5.9. Ta-da! Well, this should be pretty easy. I'm just gonna take this intake tube, the intake box, I guess, whatever, the sensor, your mass sensor, I'm gonna have to take that out and we'll put the new one in. Okay, I got this rubber boot on. That goes to the turbo. I have this one strapped tight, the other one's still loose. We're gonna slide that onto the turbo. And I got this air box ready with that rubber grommet. So we're gonna put them in the truck. Okay, the new tube and box are in. Still have this loose right here because we're probably gonna have to move it a bit to put the filter in. The filters that always come in these kits are always pre-oiled, so don't need to spray anything on them, but they are cleanable, so down the road when it gets dirty you can clean it and spray new oil on it. So if I pry this back a bit, should be able to put the new intake in. Try to spin it around in there, kind of like that. Okay, the airbox is tight here. Filter's on, tighten the clamp. Always make sure that it's seated properly. And we got the clamps down there both tight. Everything's secure. Guess we can plug this guy back in. And now we can put the shiny new cover on, dress it up a little. One thing I've seen multiple times is people don't realize you gotta take this middle part off too. So I just grab it with a little razor blade, then you can peel it off. Put this trim around, it's kind of tricky sometimes. Once you have it all on there nice, you'll see there's a little bit left over. So I'm just gonna grab some side cutters, just snip it off. And there it is, ready to go on the truck. Which way does it go? Just like that. Looks right. Grab some screws. I'm just starting them all and then I'll tighten them down at the end. Snug them up, but not too tight. There it is. S&B intake installed on Big Blue. Now it can finally breathe. I'll have to go take her for a drive and see how it performs. Don't be one of those guys that hoards all your old parts that you're never ever gonna use. Good riddance. Well, to be honest, I didn't think it was going to make any difference putting that air intake on. Like, I know it's good for the truck and I wanted to do it just so that it has better airflow. But I actually noticed just putting that air intake on, it almost felt like I bumped my tuner up a setting. Not quite that much, but I actually noticed it, which is pretty impressive. Well, that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. If you got any questions, look me up on Instagram at Dark Iron Diesel or ask in the comments. And stay tuned because I got a couple cool things going on with this truck in the near future. So I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.